This video will show you how to install the top rail trusses on rolling barge bridges that are 56 feet and longer.
All right, now we're going to teach you how to install these lateral supports on the Super Duty bridge. They go in the middle of the bridge. Now, bridges of different lengths need different amounts of this lateral support. Your instructions will tell you how much you need. This is a 72 by 6, so we need 36 feet of supports, which will be 6 total sections of a Super Duty bridge. Now, this goes in the very middle of the bridge. So the way to make sure you put these in the right location, start in the middle. 72-foot bridge has 12 sections. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sets of cross bracing in front of me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sets of cross bracing behind me. So I'm starting here. I'm going to go forward 1, 2, 3. I'm going to make a mark here. I'm going to go back to the middle again. And now I'm going to go back 1, 2, 3. So now we have these marks, so we know where to start drilling our holes to install the lateral supports and where to end. That way we ensure we have them in the right position on our bridge.